firma nahoj.
A rebel I be one day, on that track with gunplay. Outcast my whole life, so I decide to spit like Andre. Beef is on my entree, gin and juice, that's Bombay. Driving fast the wrong way, I swear life is like a one-way. Pussy on the Sunday, fitness on the Monday. My new crib came with feng shui in my closets like a runway. Come be my fiance, she fucked me in the Hyundai. My rooftop got a lounge, just sit around and watch her Sunday. Dinner date for 1K, shopping date for 2K. Bougie ass bitch made me wait the fuck for 2 days. Finally got the 2 day. Swear to God my mood changed. Top off like toupees, drop off touche. Yeah, my mouth is full of gold and I'm a city boy. And my outfit was in vogue, I'm a pretty boy. Bounce boy, Flocko tell him holla at a nigga G. Riding on my enemies, it's my ghetto symphony. Nick?
Whipping, my mama as a witness. Bitches licking and locking up my swishes. Once she blow my whistle, she know it's dismissal. Spread the news, I'm official. Now hop out my foreign vessel before I get aggressive. Forget it, already tested. Tears and blood invested till my cardiac's arrested and my 40 ounces empty. Show me what you owe me and a porterhouse with that. Black magic on the ties, only I. Rolling down a lonely mile, phony smile. Warren, police on me now, still torn. In my chain and my stony down, cheer form. Pain in its purest form. Don't complain, I came to reign from here forward. Still annoyed, so the crib got clear doors. Burning planes in my Air Force, and all I can see is clear ports.
Since Rocky spit like Andre, I'm gon' kill him like Big Boy. These rappers is on my entree. Eat them like cookies, Chips Ahoy, enjoy. When I get annoyed, know a couple niggas that I kill for joy. Little gunplay, runway, clip avoid. About to get found by a little fishing boy. Arnold Schwarzenegger, talks a nigga. Like codeine mixed with A-Roy. Slow punch make a nigga tricolloid. Boy talking how fast you can grip a knife. Damn. Look at how the hollow tip hit his spine. Little motherfuckers that commit to crime. These niggas had the sidewalk clipping one. Guess that's why the ground sip the wine. Pouring mix so it's soaking, lift and shine. Tip until I miss the sky. My soul get cold when my niggas die. So niggas live and die. Beneath shoe soles you will reside. Rappers get a meal for these freaking lies. Sign a couple deals for these freaking lies. How many times your eyes and a nigga die? Never. Spitting it like a Beretta. Nobody do it better, nigga.
Yeah. Hey. Come on, focus up a little bit more, please. Yeah. Yeah. A little bit more. Yeah. I'm on a new level. 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 Brought me a new shovel. Put these niggas in the dirt. Chain with the new bezel. All my niggas put it work. I'm on a new level. 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 Brought me a new shovel. Put these niggas in the dirt. Chain with the new bezel. All my niggas put it work. Used to be sleeping on itchy beds. Bad bugs in the motel. Now your bitch give me head. 20 bitches in the hotel. On a Roman noodle diet. Told life wasn't so well. All my niggas starting riots. Marsh pitting on your toenails. Uncle T doing so well.